Is your house comfortable?
It's happening!
Comfortable enough to have a baby? Meet Karen. She's about to have this baby in 2 minutes. Problem is, she doesn't live here. They do. Karen is here because of their new Mr. Cool AC unit. It's called a ductless mini split, and here's how it works. It connects to your wall inside, then it pipes outside to a condenser that brings in cool or warm air depending on your preferred temperature. The key word here is ductless, which means it doesn't require any ductwork in your house, just a single line running from the condenser outside to the unit inside. You see, Karen's husband didn't get the AC fixed, and now there's a heat wave on her due date, and instead of being here, her husband's at home with the repair guy.
It's way too hot in here to have a baby. She's gonna kill me.
If only he'd heard about Mr. Cool's DIY AC units, he could have installed one last weekend in 3 simple steps. Mount, drill, connect.
I'm pretty sure that's what got me here.
Gross.
What's gross is the amount of money you'd spend on central air when a Mr. Cool DIY system could save you thousands of dollars. And if you get confused during setup, one of our customer service reps will talk you right through it.
It's actually pretty easy. I set ours up while Tom was napping. Thanks, Tom.
What?
Installing a Mr. Cool unit is easier than a conventional AC system because it just mounts on your wall and connects outside. Conventional requires a huge unit outside, piped to a bulky unit inside, and hundreds of feet of ductwork through your whole house. Mr. Cool takes just a few hours, is less invasive, and ultimately saves you time and money. Click the link to get your unit. In fact, with all the money the Andersons saved, they were finally able to fix little Timmy's teeth. Get that jet ski they always wanted. Let's check in with Bob, shall we?
I know what the problem is. You're gonna need a complete overhaul.
What if I just get a window unit?
Nope.
Having a window unit is a lot like leaving a key in your front door. Sure, they're cheap, but they also make you look cheap, and they hurt your curb appeal. And since you're about to have an adorable little cash dumpster, you can just take advantage of our affordable financing. Look, you can order right now on MrCoolDIY.com. It's quick and simple. You can connect straight to your smartphone so you can change your temperature from anywhere. It doubles as a heater in the winter, and it also has a sleep mode. I doubt your baby's gonna have that.
Ow! Ow!
The best part is, unlike lots of dusty ductwork that comes with central air, Mr. Cool installation is almost completely mess-free. Oh, look, they're still at it. That's why it's time to beat the system. Mr. Cool is perfect for houses, condos, apartments, tiny homes, remodels, garages, man caves, she sheds, or that one room in your house that never seems to get cool.
I can't have this baby without my husband.
Well, you never know what you can do till you try, right? Jay in Colorado tried. He said, super easy to install, works great, saved me $1,500 and only took about a half a day. Skeeter said, smooth sailing. Man, a few words.
I'm here. Did I miss it? Wow, it's really cool in here.
Shut up, Bob. Did you fix our air conditioning?
The guy wanted 10 grand to fix it, so I bought a Mr. Cool unit.
See, she's gonna love the new unit.
Either that or the drugs just kicked in.
That's just the essential oils.
Well, you know, our drug of choice is well-priced comfort, and as Bob just found out, ordering online could not be any easier. Go to MrCoolDIY.com to get yours.
You guys are getting a Mr. Cool,
Don't worry, we'll let you hook up the electric.
but I only make $100 on that.
Can you blame us?
No. Good call.
Okay, it's time to start pushing.
We'll get back to them in 20 seconds, but here's how it works. You go to MrCoolDIY.com, you choose your square footage, and you order your Mr. Cool. It arrives at your door within a week with all the tools you need. If your funds are tight, don't fret. We have payment options as low as $40 a month. For installation, we have a full customer service team to help you with all your questions and walk you through it. If you need an electrician for hookup, we'll help you find one. And if that weren't enough, it comes with a 7-year parts warranty and a full money-back guarantee. If you change your mind, just ship it back and we'll issue a full refund, no questions asked. So if you think saving thousands of dollars is worth a little bit of effort, click over to MrCoolDIY.com.
Here she comes.
How much longer are they going to be here?
I have no idea.
I got all day.
She's so beautiful.
Aww.